We all just woke up. We just had some breakfast, which was, we had some smoothies and some banana bread stuff. We're getting ready to go to the Toro Verde Zipline Park. And that's gonna be pretty fun.
We're going ziplining. It's an hour-and-a-half drive. I'm gonna have a blast. Game time!
What my doctor says.
It is different than others. The monster and the beast, I don't know what, but I've just been told they're unlike anything anybody's ever done before.
There we are. Stand up.
Very fun.
Yeah, that was awesome.
It was amazing, and we were really high up, and we were going really fast, and I got to look down. There's a big old river, and that river was beautiful, and I liked it.
Well, that's pretty cool. So all these guys are coming in on their day off. This is like their normal day to be closed.
Glad we didn't have to walk up this.
Yeah.
We are about to do the beast and the monster. The monster being the longest one, and Guinness World Record for longest line. That's what they said.
Let's go, Peter!
Let's do this! Yeah! Oh my God!
was great.
How was that?
Awesome.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Yeah! Woo!
I like it.
Ah!